A coolant reservoir, or coolant tank, may need replacement for several reasons, with age being the most common. Although these reservoirs are made from durable plastic, the constant cycle of heating and cooling of an engine causes the plastic to expand and contract. Over time, this stress weakens the material, leading to cracks and leaks. A leaking coolant reservoir can create serious engine issues. Coolant plays a crucial role in transferring heat from the engine to the radiator. If the reservoir is low or empty, the reduced coolant supply can cause the engine to overheat and fail. Common signs of a leaking coolant reservoir include green or orange puddles beneath the engine bay, an unusual odor while running, or visible steam of coolant from the engine area. Modern vehicles feature a coolant level sensor that triggers a dashboard warning light when the coolant is low. When this light comes on, it's important not to ignore it and take the vehicle in for service. If you discover the coolant level is low, always wait until the engine is cooled down before adding more coolant. Never open the coolant reservoir while it is under pressure, as the hot liquid could cause severe burns to any exposed skin. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.